Hello students, now we are going to discuss about one of the important mineral drug that is called a fuller's earth, or it is also known as a multani mitti, which we are using for to keep onto the face for the beautification purpose, right? So let's discuss what are the description about those particular mineral drugs. So coming to the fuller's earth, it is FULLER earth, EARTH, right? It's why is the earth name it is that is because it is the sand, or it is the one of the mitti, right? So coming to the synonyms or other names, it is also called as the floridine, okay, and the multani mitti, that is very famous in India, right? So that's what it is being used. Coming to the source, it is nothing but it is containing aluminium magnesium silicate, right? So it is the native of the aluminium magnesium silicate, right? That's what. Coming to the history parts, it is derived from ancient process of cleaning wool and dust. So in the former days, it was there in the use that for the cleaning process and for the cleaning up dust and for the cleaning up wool, right? So that's what from there it has been taken, means it is having cleaning properties, so it can be used for the different purpose. That's what it has been taken. Coming to the collection and the preparation parameters, it is mined in open quarry as just like a bentonite, okay. It is typically derived from deposits of the volcanic ash, right? So different volcanic ash, from there it can be deposited. So all the sands are not multani sands, so it can be identified at the particular location, right? So when we are getting the multani mitti or the fuller's earth, how it is going to look like? It is white to yellowish gray in color, odorless, and at the same time it will be tasteless powder, right? Coming to the chemical constituents, what are the chemical compounds that are going to present in that? The montmorillonite, that's what we have seen into the bentonite also. Montmorillonite, it is going to have the 50%. Then silicon oxide, it will be 55%. Silica will be there in 18%. So these three has to be remembered, because these three are having great percentage, 50, 55, and silica is 18%. Apart from that, it is going to have aluminium, calcium, magnesium, iron oxide. So these all oxides will be there, and water will be also there about 10%. Okay, so that you can remember by reading it. Coming to the uses, it is also used as a the decolorizer, then clarifying and filtering agent. That's what it has processed. It was used into the ancient process of the cleaning wool and dust. That's what it is having used, the clarifying and the filtering agent. Apart from that, it is going to useful into the preparation of dusting powder, right? So that's what these are the great uses actually into the field of cosmetics or in the field of pharmaceutical industries, right? So that's what multani mitti is having its own importance in traditional use or into the industrial use. Thank you.